Let's look at this question. F of x is division of two quadratic equations that we are looking at. If you look at your x square plus 2x minus 15 very, very carefully, you will realize you can split the middle term and rewrite this as x square because it is minus 15x square. So you are looking at x square plus 5x minus 3x minus of 15. Take your x common from there, you will get x plus 5. Take your minus 3 common over there, you will get x plus 5 once again. So what are you left with? You are left with x minus 3 into x plus 5 as your numerator of this function, correct? Similarly, if you look at your denominator very carefully, it is 9 2s are 18, and you will be able to rewrite this as x minus of 9 into x plus of 2. So now your f of x is going to be what? Your f of x is going to be x minus 3 into x plus 5 divided by x minus of 9 into x plus of 2. Now this is product of two numbers in the numerator, product of two numbers in the denominator, and you want this to be negative, correct? Which is less than 0. Now understand, if you look at x minus 3, where is x minus 3 positive? X minus 3 is positive when x is greater than 3. So plot your value of 3 over here on the number line and say anything value of x greater than 3, it will be positive. X plus 5 will change its value at x equals to minus 5. Anything greater than minus 5, it will be positive, less than minus 5, it will be negative. Same x minus 9 is going to change its value at x equals to 9, and x plus 2 is going to change its value at x equals to minus 2. Now, if you take your value of x, which is greater than 9, then what is going to happen? Your x minus 3 will be positive. Your x plus 5 will also be positive number. Your denominator x minus 9 will also be a positive number, and your x plus 2 will also be a positive number. So positive into positive in the numerator, positive into positive in the denominator, your total functions will be positive. Now, go to the next piece between 3 to 9. What is going to happen? Between 3 to 9, x minus 3 will be positive, x plus 5 will be positive, but in the denominator, x minus 9 will be negative, and x plus 2 will be positive. So, positive into negative divided by negative into positive, it's going to be positive number divided by a negative number, which is a negative number. So, you are going to get a negative over here. If you observe very carefully, every time one of the brackets is turning out to be negative, so this is going to go alternate, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Let's observe. Suppose if you take anything between minus 2 to 3, then it is less than 3, this will be negative. This is still greater than minus 5, so this will be positive. In the denominator, x minus 9 will be negative because you are putting any value less than 9, and x plus 2 will still be positive. So if you look at this, this is negative divided by a negative number, which is going to turn out to be positive number. So over here, you will get a positive number. Similarly, between minus 5 to minus 2, what is going to happen? Between minus 5 to minus 2, you will have a negative value over here, a positive value over here. X minus 9 will be negative, and x minus x plus 2 will be negative. So you will get a negative number. So you will get a negative number, and similar to this, at the end, you will get a positive number. You wanted f of x to be less than 0. It has to be, x value has to be between minus 5 to minus 3 and 3 to 9. Option B is the correct answer.